Welcome dear students. Today we will start the practice set 3.2. Before that we understand the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. We know that 8 square is equal to 64. Yes, 8 8s are 64. Correct? Now we know that cube root at 64 is equal to 4. But if we write in the form of indices, then how to write? 64 raised to 1 upon 3. And we know that the value of 64, it is a 8. 8 square. So 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 4. Understood? Therefore, cube root of a square of 8 is 4. Give the first number. Similarly, cube root of 8 means 8 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, square of cube root of 8 is 8 raised to 1 upon 3 is the cube root of 8, and take the square, that is 2 square is equal to 4. Give the second number. So from 1 and 2, see, RHS is same, so LHS also same. Correct? So cube root of square of 8 is equal to square of cube root of 8. So using the indices, 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 1 upon 3 square. So here the rules of indices you already learn in 7th standard. Correct? So the rules of rational indices are the same as those for integral indices. So therefore, using the rule a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn, we get 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 1 upon 3 bracket square is equal to 8 raised to 2 upon 3, means square of cube root of 8 or cube root of square of 8. There are two ways of reading the same indices. Firstly, we take the root. Firstly, we read the root. Then how to read it? Cube root of square of 8. And if we read power first, then square of cube root of 8. Understood? Similarly, 27 raised to 4 upon 5 is equal to 27 raised to 4 raised to 1 upon 5, means fifth root of fourth power. See, fifth root means a denominator number is nothing but the root, and a numerator indices is nothing but the power. So fifth root of fourth power of 27, or second way, fourth power of fifth root of 27. Both are same. So generally we can express two meanings of the number a raised to m upon n. Means a raised to m upon n is equal to a raised to m raised to 1 upon n, means nth root of mth power of a. And second is a raised to m upon n is equal to a raised to 1 upon n raised to m, means nth power of nth root of a. Understood? So start the practice set 3.2 here. Complete the following table. First, already solved here. See, all the students, very simple. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. So firstly we read the power here, power of the root, and the second column is the root of the power. So read the power first. Cube of square root of 225, and if we If we read the root firstly, then square root of cube of 225. So second, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. So if we read in the form of power of the root, then fourth power of fifth root of 45. Very simple. And if we read in the form of root of the power, then fifth root of fourth power of 45. Very simple. Now third question, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. So read firstly power. What is the power here? 6. And what is the root here? 7. So sixth power of seventh root of 81. Similarly, what is the root here? 7. So seventh root of, what is the power here? 6. Sixth power of 81. Next, 100 raised to 4 upon 10. So what is the power here? 4. What is the root here? 10. So fourth power of 10th root of 100. Similarly here, 10th root of fourth power of 100. And last question is 21 raised to 3 upon 7. So what is the power here? 3. 3 means cube. What is the root here? 7. So cube of 7th power, 7th root of 21. And here 7th root of cube of 21. Very simple. Now second question, write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. So first question is square root of the fifth power of 121. Firstly, write down the answer. What is the number here? 121. So write down it first and give the bracket. Now read the question again. Square root means root is given, means denominator is given. Square means 2. Square root of the fifth power means numerator is 5. This is the required answer. So 121 raised to 5 upon 2 means square root of fifth power of 121. Very simple. Now second question, cube of fourth root of 321. So firstly write down the number 324, give the bracket. Now cube of fourth root means power is given first, means the numerator. Cube means 3. Now fourth root means denominator. Correct? So cube of fourth root of 324. Third question, fifth root of square of 264. So write down number first. 264, give the bracket. Fifth root means denominator is a 5, and square means 2. Very simple. Means fifth root of square of 264. Last question, cube root of 3. Now cube of means power is given here. Of 3 means write down number first and give the bracket. Cube of means power is given first. 3 of cube root means 3 upon 3. Cube of cube root of 3. This is the answer. Very simple.